Open the software. Select Survey and open Stake Road. Tap New to enter the road design page and enter the road name. There are 6 available design options: chain break, centerline, vertical profile, standard cross-section, slope section library, and slope matching. Use a road generated from a centerline, vertical profile, and standard cross-section as an example. Select centerline. There are 2 road design methods, line element and intersection method. Select the line element. Tap Add. There are 3 types of elements: line, spiral line, and curve. Select as required. Enter the corresponding parameters for each road element. Tap Calculate. Select the calculation method, stakeout by station number or stakeout by station distance. Return to the design page. Select vertical profile and tap Add. Enter the vertical profile parameters. Tap OK to complete. Next, select Standard Cross-Section. Tap Add and select a cross-section name or enter it manually. Enter the parameters to complete the left section design. Select the right section and choose Symmetric or Manual Input. Here, we select Symmetric. After completing the cross-section design, tap OK to return to the road design page. Apply stakeout.